For 2026, Wiha Tools introduced a new lineup of tools focused on making everyday work faster, smarter, and more organized, especially for electricians and industrial professionals. Instead of just launching individual tools, Wiha focused on complete solutions, including multi-tools, smart testing devices, ergonomic screwdrivers, torque tools, and fully organized tool cases. So now, let's see what Wiha got for us in 2026. The first major tool is the Wiha ProBuddy Evo, which is designed to be an everyday multi-tool for both professionals and serious DIY users. The idea behind this tool is simple. Instead of carrying many different tools, you carry one system that can handle most tasks. It comes with 29 bits, several sockets, a ratchet, an adapter, a bit holder, and Wiha's well-known SoftFinish handle. The handle is very ergonomic and comfortable for long work sessions, which is something Wiha tools are known for. The ProBuddy Evo even received the German Design Award, which shows that the tool is not only functional, but also very well designed. Overall, this tool is meant to be a daily companion that can handle a wide range of tasks without needing a full toolbox.
Wiha also introduced a small but very clever tool called the Wiha Mini Spirit Level Pocket. This tool is mainly designed for electricians installing sockets and electrical boxes. It has special centering points spaced 60 millimeters apart, which match the spacing of electrical boxes, so you can align them perfectly. It also has magnets so it can stick to sockets while aligning them. There is also a groove that helps align cavity wall boxes and a recess so you can use a screwdriver while the level is still in place. Even though it is a small tool, it solves several real problems electricians face during installation work.
Next comes the digital workflow system built around the Wiha Sparkify platform, which works together with Wiha testing devices. This system is designed to solve a very common problem in electrical work, which is documentation and report writing. Usually, electricians have to write reports later, enter test data manually, and manage paperwork, which wastes a lot of time and can lead to mistakes. Wiha created a system they call Click, Click, Tap, where documentation happens automatically while testing. You start documentation, run the test, and then transfer the data to the app via NFC. Photos of devices, nameplates, and test results are automatically stored and organized. This system basically turns testing and documentation into one continuous workflow instead of two separate tasks. The Wiha MFT One is an installation tester designed for electrical systems and circuits. This device allows electricians to test insulation resistance, RCDs, circuit measurements, and other installation parameters. What makes it different is that it connects directly to the Sparkify system, so all measurements are automatically documented. The device also has an auto test sequence that can run multiple tests automatically without the user needing to manually run each test. Another useful feature is that circuit plans can be imported using a QR code, so electricians don't have to manually create all circuit entries again. This tool is mainly focused on making installation testing faster and documentation automatic. The Wiha PAT One is another testing device, but this one is used for testing electrical appliances and devices rather than installations. It can test protection class 1 and class 2 devices, extension cords, and three-phase devices. The device has a rotary dial for selecting the device type and a test button to start the testing process. After the test is completed, the results are transferred to the app via NFC. The system allows taking photos of the device and scanning barcodes for inventory management. This means testing, identification, and documentation all happen in one workflow, which saves a lot of time.
For tool storage and organization, Wiha introduced the Wiha XL Trolley Electric, which is a large mobile tool case with wheels and a telescopic handle. It includes around 60 tools, such as insulated screwdrivers, pliers, bit sets, hex keys, crimping tools, a spirit level, and a folding ruler. The inside is well organized, so tools are easy to find and store. This trolley is basically a full mobile workstation for electricians who move between job sites.
Wiha also introduced the Wiha color-coded socket wrenches, which solve a very simple but very common problem. When working with socket wrenches, people often waste time trying different sizes until they find the correct one. Wiha solved this by color-coding the socket sizes, so users can identify the correct size immediately. The sockets also come in a long version, 150 millimeters, that can reach deep screws and include a magnetic screw holder so screws don't fall out. They are strong enough to be used with cordless screwdrivers and tested up to high torque levels. These sockets are designed for electrical work, automotive work, and industrial applications where speed and convenience matter.
Then there are the torque tools, the Wiha easyTorque 2 and the Wiha easyTorque key. These tools are designed for situations where screws must be tightened with a specific torque, not too loose and not too tight. Both tools have a torque limiter that clicks when the preset torque is reached, so the user knows the screw is properly tightened. This prevents damage to screws, threads, and materials. The easyTorque 2 has a screwdriver-style ergonomic handle for comfortable use, while the easyTorque key has a smaller key-style handle that works better in tight spaces. These tools are mainly used in industrial assembly, electrical installations, and any work where consistent screw tightening is important. Another important tool is the Wiha SoftFinish Ratchet screwdriver. This screwdriver is designed to allow faster screw driving without constantly repositioning your hand. It uses a 72-tooth ratchet mechanism, which means it can work in very tight spaces with small movement angles. It also has forward, reverse, and lock modes, so it can work like a normal screwdriver when needed. The magnetic bit holder makes bit changes quick and secure. The SoftFinish handle is designed with different grip zones, thinner areas for fast turning and wider areas for higher torque. This tool is meant to be a high-performance screwdriver for professionals who screw and unscrew things all day. They also updated the Wiha Basic XL Electric, which is a more compact and beginner-friendly tool set. It includes insulated screwdrivers, pliers, a bit set, a folding ruler, and the mini pocket spirit level. This set is designed for everyday electrical work and is especially suitable for trainees, beginners, or electricians who want a smaller and lighter toolkit. Finally, Wiha updated the Wiha XL Electric tool case, which is designed specifically for e-mobility and industrial applications. This tool case includes insulated tools suitable for working on electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, charging stations, and wall boxes. As electric vehicles and charging infrastructure are growing, Wiha is clearly preparing tools specifically for that industry. This tool case focuses on safety, urbanization, and tools required for modern electrical and EV-related work. Overall, the Wiha 2026 lineup is not just about new tools, but about making work faster, more organized, more digital, and more ergonomic. The main focus is clearly on electricians, industrial workers, and e-mobility technicians, and most of the tools are designed to save time, reduce mistakes, and make daily work easier.